You don't need more time. You need more control. While the world drifts through life, you have a choice to surrender or to awaken. Tonight, you awaken. Every moment you spend obeying comfort, you give away your power. Every time you delay action, hit snooze, wait for motivation, you tell yourself that weakness is acceptable. And yet, deep down, you know it is not. Comfort is a quiet thief. It steals focus. It steals energy. It steals strength. And one day, you wake to a life that is less than it could have been. But here, now, tonight, you reclaim what has been lost. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your identity. So, ask yourself, who do you see when you look in the mirror? Who do you allow yourself to be when no one is watching? Your feelings are not you. Your thoughts are not you. They are guests. You are the observer, the quiet witness, the one who chooses. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Slowly. Let the world's noise fade. Let the world's expectations fade. Silence is your ally. Stillness is your teacher. In this quiet, clarity is born. Focus is sharpened. Strength is forged. Discipline is not a reward. It is a muscle, and it grows only through resistance. Every choice to act when your body says no, every moment you resist ease is a victory. Victory not over others, but over yourself. You are not your old habits. You are not the person who procrastinates. You are not the person who gives in to distraction. You are the one who chooses, moment by moment, to rise above. Now, slow your breathing. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Listen to the small moments. The quiet hours are not empty. They are full of opportunity. They are the canvas on which your identity is painted. Every action you take, no matter how small, is a brushstroke. What are you painting? Consistency, discipline, control. Discomfort is the brush. Resistance is the paint. Every time you lean into what is hard, you shape the person you are becoming. No one else will do this for you. No one else will choose for you. The moment you stop waiting and start acting, that moment changes everything. Breathe in. Hold. Exhale. Notice the sensations, the tension in your body, the thoughts in your mind. Observe them and release them. You are training. Every uncomfortable choice, every moment of resistance is a step toward mastery. Your identity is not fixed. It is fluid. It is formed by repetition, by small actions taken again and again until they become your nature. Ask yourself, what does it mean to be strong, to be disciplined, to be controlled? It is not grand gestures. It is the quiet commitment, the small choices made when no one is watching that define you. Now, in this silence, feel the power of your presence. Feel your awareness expand. Feel your control deepen. You are not lost. You are not weak. You are awake. You are training. You are growing. Every breath, every heartbeat, every second is an opportunity to reclaim yourself. You do not wait for the world to change. You do not wait for inspiration. You do not wait for comfort. You act. Discipline is a daily practice. Effort is a daily choice. Control is a daily victory. Breathe in. Hold. Exhale. Feel your mind clearing. Feel your focus sharpening. Feel your strength returning. You are becoming more disciplined, more controlled, more aware, more unstoppable. No one else can do this for you. No one else can fight your battles. No one else can shape your identity. This is yours. This moment, this choice, this effort, it belongs to you. Breathe in, hold, exhale. Let the awareness sink deeper. Let it seep into every action, every thought, every habit. From now on, you act with purpose. You act with discipline. You act with control. Even when it is uncomfortable, even when it is difficult, even when no one sees. This is the path of strength. This is the path of mastery. This is the path of the awakened. And now, let that knowledge settle. Let it root itself deep within. Feel the power in stillness. Feel the control in calm. Every time you choose awareness, you grow. Every time you resist distraction, you strengthen. Every time you act despite resistance, you conquer.